Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, so I welcome you all for today's session of Jolly Phonics. And what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn today new sounds, two new sounds, that is of letter M and of letter D. Yes, these are the two sounds that we are going to learn today. Yes, but before I move forward with today's session, let us sing a song. Yes, and we are going to sing a song which has got lots of sounds into it. Yes, so let's begin. 1, 2, 3 and let's start. I love the hissing of the green snake. I love the hissing of the green snake. I love the buzzing of the bees. I love the buzzing of the bees. But the sound I like the best, the very best. But the sound I like the best, the very best is to hear that God loves me. Is to hear that God loves me. I love the pit patter of the raindrops. I love the pit patter of the raindrops. I love the rolling of the seas. I love the rolling of the seas. But the sound I like the best, the very best. But the sound I like the best, the very best is to hear that God loves me. Is to hear that God loves me. Yay, lovely. Yes, so let's begin with our today's session. Yes, so first let us see the formations. Yes, so this is called capital M and this is called as small m. Capital M, small m. And what's the sound that it makes? What's the sound that letter M makes? Yes, okay. So how's the formation? Let's see. Standing line, slanting line, up slanting line and standing line. Yes, how's the formation of small m? Standing line, bumpety line, one more bumpety line that makes letter M. Let's do it in the air. Get ready with your finger. Yes, chalo. Standing line, bumpety line, one more bumpety line that makes letter M. Let's do it on our hand also. Standing line, bumpety line, one more bumpety line that makes letter M. Okay, let's move our finger on this letter itself. Standing line, bumpety line, one more bumpety line that makes letter M. Yes, lovely. Now let's see the story. Can you give me a story card? You can see there is a mom and she has prepared a meal for the children. Yes, and each child is thinking of a different meal. See? Yes, this child, she's thinking of some other meal. Okay, see this one? Yes, and mother has already prepared the meal. And when they're thinking about the meal, okay, because it is very tasty, they're making the sound Okay, and you can see that, and you can also see that they are rubbing their tummies and making the sound Yes, okay. So what's the action for this sound? Okay, you just rub your tummy. Yes, so that's the sound for this letter. Let's have the song. Can I have the song for letter M?
The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for their hungry children.
Yes, so the mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. So let's see a few more words which starts with letter M and makes the sound monkey, mango, man, mushrooms. Yes, monkey, mango, man, mushrooms. Let's see a few more words. Moon, mirror, mop, milk, mug, mat. Let's repeat again. Mirror, moon, milk, mop, mat and mug. Yes, so these were the letters which are making the sound of letter M, which is Now you have these worksheets, okay, which you have received from school. Yes, you can see the action. Yes, you can see the girl, she's rubbing her tummy. Yes, you will color this picture. Yes, you will make the formations from here. Yes, let us revise the sounds also. Yes, what sound is this? Yes, okay, let's do the blending, and whenever we are doing the blending we call Mr. Slowly. Yes, so Mr. Slowly is going to help us to read the words. Let's do it. Yes, men, man, miss, him. Yes, so we have men, man, miss and him. So this is how we have completed letter M, which had the sound of Yes, हम लोगों ने उसकी स्टोरी भी देखी. We saw the blending. हम लोगों ने activity cards भी complete किए. Now let's move forward to the next letter, that is letter D. And the sound that this letter makes is D. D. Yes, so this is capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. And the sound this letter makes is D. D. Yes, and let's see the formation. It is standing line and half a circle. Standing line and half a circle. Yes, let's see the small d. Standing line and half a circle. Standing line and half a circle. Let's do it in the air. Chalo, do it with me. Standing line and half a circle. Small d कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Yes, standing line and half a circle. That makes letter D. Let's do it on a palm. Standing line and half a circle. Standing line and half a circle. That makes letter D. Yes, and the sound is D. D. Let's see the story. There's a boy, yes, who has got many toys in his cupboard. See, पूरा cupboard उसका toy से भरा हुआ है. But then this boy, yes, whose name is Danny. Yes, इस लड़के का नाम क्या है? The name of this boy is Danny. He only loves to play with drum. उसे बाकी कोई toys अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. See, and see, he's loving to play the drum, and the drum is making the sound d, 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 d. Yes, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं. We have got the formation also. Standing line and half a circle. Yes, so ये story card भी मैंने आप लोगों के साथ school group में share किया है. So what's the sound? D, d. Can we first we'll play the song. So this is a story for letter D. Now let us hear the song for letter D. What's the action? It is playing like a drum. D, 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 d. Yes, let's do the song. Huh? It will be fun.
See me play on my drum, playing drums is lots of fun with a d d d d d d d d d. See me play upon my drum.
Yes, so that was the song for letter D, and the sound was D. Yes, let us see a few more words with letter D, which is making the sound D. D, d, doll. D, d, dolphin. D, d, deer. D, d, dart. D, d, dice. So what words do we have on this page? Doll, dolphin, dart, dice and a deer. Let's see few more words. Dance, drum, dog, donkey, duck. Yes, let's see the words again. Dance, drum, dog, duck, and donkey. Yes, so these were the words that we have with letter D. Let us see the worksheets that you have received from school. Yes, this is the worksheet that you have received. Can you see a drum? You will color this picture. Can you see the action over here? Yes, it's just playing the drum. Yes, उसी का action है. Here we have got the formation. Here you will revise all the sounds जो हम लोग already कर चुके हैं. Okay, and now we are going to read the words. And जब भी हम लोग letters का blending करते हैं, we call Mr. Slowly. So Mr. Slowly is back. D, E, P, dip, D, E, P, dip, D, A, D, dad, D, A, D, dad, P, A, D, pad, P, A, D, pad. Next, I, D, hid, I, D, hid. Yes, so these were the words that we have formed with the blending. And the last activity that we have over here on this page is हमें find out करने हैं ऐसे pictures जिसमें letter D का sound नहीं आ रहा है. जैसे d dog, d drum, hand. ओके, लास्ट में क्या हमें ड का साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है? हैंड. ओके, हेन, इसमें तो हमें कोई साउंड नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. हमें कौन सा साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है? हमें तो एच, ई और एन इन लेटर्स के साउंड सुनाई दे रहे हैं. सो हम लोग इसको क्रॉस आउट कर देंगे. यस, द टीचर विल ऑल्सो डू इट. सी लाइक दिस. ठीक है, सो इसे हम लोग क्रॉस आउट कर देंगे. सो आप लोग ये वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड यू विल शेयर दिस वर्कशीट इनटू द स्कूल ग्रुप. बट बिफोर वी गो, वी हैव गॉट द कार्ड, पजल कार्ड. यस, सो चेक दिस आउट एंड फाइंड आउट द वर्ड्स व्हिच हैव गॉट द साउंड ऑफ लेटर डी. ड. I'll just count till 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you able to locate the words? Let's start. D drum, d dog, d dinosaur, d door, d doll, and d duck. So what are the words that we have? Okay, in this card, it's drum, dog, dinosaur, door, doll, and a duck. Yes? Okay, so that is how we have completed these two letters, okay, which is letter M and letter D. The sound for letter M was and the sound for letter D was D. ठीक है, so you all will complete the worksheets. Okay, you will keep practicing the sounds. Okay, practice blending the words. आप 3 letter 4 letter words forming का practice कर सकते हैं. Yes, and keep sharing the videos into the school group. Okay, I'll see you next week for the Jolly Phonics session. Bye bye.